my view, I think it's the relevance, that how relevant a bank would be or banking would be to the customers of the future is extremely important for us. And whatever investments or initiatives that we take as a bank are all towards staying relevant for the customers. I know that for sure now that the branch banking would not be the future. It can only complement the digital banking going forward. So the digital banking is probably going to be the mainstream, whereas the branch banking would only complement the banking business. Corporate perspective, I think their requirements are much more specific. So there's a lot of customization required for them. And it's mostly to facilitate their banking transactions, their dealings with the bank. They want the bank to be available 24/7. Usually in bigger companies or international companies, the CFOs are not based in all the locations where the country or the company is operating. So they want to have remote access and be able to do minor and major banking. And this is becoming more and more of a pure requirement of corporates. They also look upon a bank to be able to provide various collection services. So, offering them collection services, payment services, and it's more and more towards digital banking. One is obviously to be able to convince the regulators that the steps that we are taking towards digital banking and transaction banking products and services that are coming out are actually safe and are good for the clients. And secondly, it's the mindset of the senior most people in some organizations. Probably it's the age factor, I would say. But some of them still have some fear in them and still are happy with the way things are progressing within their organizations and don't want to make any changes there. So it's the customer's mindset and the regulators, I think. We have signed Intellect to offer a component of transactional banking services with the bank. We went through a selection process and we decided to choose Intellect as a partner going forward. We are yet to experience the product because we are not live yet, but our expectations are high and we are seeing good amount of cooperation between the two organizations, and we are positive towards this relationship.